Hi, today I will show you how to install ODK desk with adjustable monitor stand. Before you begin, I suggest you check all parts according to the part and accessory list. This is important. You don't want to start assembling and realize there's a missing piece. Now let's start. Step 1. First, install pole G into frame D and G with screw number 2, and then install feet pad 8. Step 2. Install pole F into frame D and G with screw number 2. Step 3. Install plate B into frame D and G with screw 1. Step 4 and 5. Install pole F into frame E with screw number 2. Then fix them into plate A with screw number 3. Step 6. This is important. Please note that the height of monitor stand can be adjusted according to your needs. A. 14 centimeters. B. 12 centimeters. C. 10 centimeters. Step 7. Connect pole H with screw 6. Then install bracket H legs with screw 4. Step 8. Fix hook J and bag I on the side with screw 4. All done. This is how ODK desk with adjustable monitor stand looks like. Thanks for your watching.